My house is about to go up in flames. Most people don't realize how quick fires can actually happen. I left my hair straightener on all night, and now I'm about to lose everything. I don't even have time to grab my laptop or my cell phone. It's a good thing I'm home alone because I wouldn't even be able to wake up my parents. I know I seem calm considering my stuff's about to incinerate in under 3 minutes, but it's because I've been through this scenario in my head a million times before. I'm prepared. I guess it's really only the smoke alarm that saved me here. If it wasn't working, I'd still be in bed. I relived that night again and again in my head, but in my dreams, the smoke alarm was working. It wasn't. Is yours?